Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. It's me, V. Today I am showing you guys how I recreated this beautiful makeup look today. I am so excited to recreate this look for you guys. This video was highly requested from you guys. I want to show you guys how I brought this makeup gathering together. I wore this look in my Q&A and you guys just went bananas. You like, V, we ain't never seen this out of you, girl. Like, what? You need to give us a tutorial. So I'm giving y'all a tutorial today. Also in today's tutorial, I'm featuring something different. So I recently got this Fuck Boy Repellent. You hear me? It's called Fuck Boy Repellent. Let me tell you a little bit about this. So the one I'm using today is called Stay Mad. And in this Fuck Boy Repellent, it says it does not contain childish games, side chicks, I ain't get your text, we just friends, and it also works against fuck girls, hating ass broads, and bad vibes, and motherfucking scammers. So, if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching this video. And if you want the Fuckboy Repellent, I will definitely link that down below. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you decide to stay. And let's just get right into this tutorial, guys. So I'm going to go in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I'm going to outline my brows with my Tarte Shape Tape, just because I haven't used this in a long time. I'm going to set it into place. So the first shade I'm going to take is this green shade right here as my transition. This blue shade right here. And then I'm going to go back in with that green and blend that out. And I only used the product that was on the brush. And then I took this deeper green shade right here. I'm going to take this shade right here. This color is so pretty. I'm so obsessed with this color. It's just gorgeous. Then I'm going to go into this green shade right here and kind of pull that out. Then And I'm going to outline my crease where I cut over the cut crease with this MAC glitter. I'm going to take these two yellows and put them in my inner corner. And I'm going to go in with my liner, my NYX liner. Black right here. And I'm going to set my liner so it doesn't crease and so that it's super matte. I popped my lashes on off camera. I cleaned my eyes, these Yes 2 whites, and I'm going to prime with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I'm using my Mario Bedascue face spray. I use my Nars. I'm going to take the butt of my beauty blender, and then I'm just going to press this into my skin. And then I'm going to go in with my Mercier and highlight. And now I'm about to set under my eye. I have a new bronzer. It's from Bare Minerals. Oh, that's good. And then I'm going to dust away the excess. So I'm going to take my Tarte blush in Doll Face, and this is how it looks, and I'm going to add that to my cheeks. So I'm going to take this shade right here, and then I'm going to go over the brow bone with this color right here. For lips today, I am using a combination of my Sephora Lip Liner with this new lip called Trap from ColourPop. I'm going to spray my Boy Repellant. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget, subscribe. I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye everyone.